This tornado is about to do something insane as this erratic, shape-shifting twister goes through 3 distinct phases, taking me on a wild adventure as I track the strangest tornado I've ever chased.
Wow! Ah! Back windshield's out.
Oh my gosh. Wow! We're in the edge of the tornado here. Power lines are coming down. Yeah, I appreciate everybody for tuning in today. Tornado threat continues here in northeast Colorado. Got a 5% tornado risk right now.
It's August 8th, 2023, and my friends and I are tracking a supercell thunderstorm near Yuma, Colorado. On radar, a hook echo develops along with an area of strong rotation. This is a telltale sign that a tornado is imminent.
If it drops, it happened right in front of us. It's gonna plant right in front of us.
Left all way. Left to right. Literally. Hey, is it on the ground? Way up. It is on the ground. Go, 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 go. Tornado on the ground.
Underneath the wall cloud, an area of spinning dust appears as the storm circulation makes contact with the ground. This is the beginning of the strangest tornado I've ever chased.
Look at that. Right in front of us. Wow. Oh my gosh. Right in front of us.
Oh my goodness! Look at that thing go!
Tornado here. It's right here.
Right in front of the car. Look at this. There's a bunch of them.
Oh, look at the forest over there. Look at them go. We're right underneath it.
Drop on top of us?
I think so.
Starting not much stronger than a dust devil, the tornado steadily strengthens as it tracks southeast.
The whole mezzo is essentially on the ground right now.
Overhead, a mesocyclone begins to ramp up as a rapidly rotating wall cloud develops underneath.
Right next to this thing. It's just a giant. Check this out. Look at the whole circulation.
Wow. This whole thing's on the ground.
With the tornado just a mile to our east, we move in for a closer look, which is when it enters the first wild phase of its life cycle.
Oh my gosh, right in front of us here. Right on it.
As we follow behind the tornado, it inhales the dry soil of eastern Colorado, shrouding itself in a cloud of dust.
Right behind Freddy. My goodness, this is insane.
Wow. It's insane dust right here. I can't see anything. It's right in front of us.
At the same time, giant hail begins to rain from the sky as we try to figure out what our next move is.
I have dust everywhere right now. Don't go any closer, Mike. Oh my gosh.
There's Connor.
Big tornado in front of us.
Big time tornado. Hail flying.
Giant hail! This is not good! There's the baseball rolling!
We're gonna lose our windows. Wind driven. Oh shoot.
Back windshield's out. Ah!
With Alex's rear windshield blown out, he decides to end his chase before more damage can be done. Meanwhile, the rest of us reposition to save our windshields from the giant hail.
On the ground.
Where's our next road? Come on. Give us an east option. Give us an east option. Come on.
Once we finally reach a safe spot away from the hail, our attention shifts back to the tornado as it begins to emerge from the dust. This is when the tornado enters the next wild phase of its life cycle.
Finally starting to see it. It's coming down. It's just huge. It's coming down. It's an amazing tornado. There it is. Out of the rain. Incredible.
Look at that! Yes!
Right here. Right here. Oh. Look at the vorticity!
Twins! Twins! We got twins!
That is insane. That is just incredible.
As the tornado turns right in front of us, a satellite orbits around the perimeter of the tornado's circulation. Meanwhile, the tornado begins to do something very strange. As the tornado rounds the 10-minute mark in its life, it starts to make a sharp left turn. At the same time, the tornado shrinks as if it's getting ready to lift. But instead of lifting, the tornado continues to turn left, first moving in a westward direction before then diving back south. This causes it to strike the same place it did just moments ago, leaving behind a complete loop in its track. And then the tornado decides to rapidly re-intensify as it crosses through the field just in front of us.
This is the most incredible tornado I've ever seen, dude.
I can't ever get good video of it because it's so dusty.
I know.
I'm sorry I'm using your car.
That's okay. Look at the rope slither in there.
That is beautiful.
Look at the rope, man. Look at the rope.
Yeah, it's roping out. It's roping out. Look at the rope out!
Are inside your car clean?
No.
Wow, son.
Windshield took a beating. Beautiful tornado.
Yep.
Yeah, beautiful.
Thank you.
Can you get closer?
Yep. I just needed to get that shot.
As the tornado nears the small town of Yuma, Colorado, heavy rain begins to fall, obscuring our view of this erratic tornado.
I think we're gonna go back. Can't see anything from this angle.
Completely rain wrapped. Tornado is right in front of me somewhere.
At the same time, the tornado begins to rapidly intensify as wind speeds approach 150 miles per hour. This is when the tornado enters the final and most dangerous phase of its life cycle.
Might be wedging out. Freddy's got to be careful up there.
Might be dropping south here.
I'm gonna turn around, I think. I don't know if I want any part of this thing.
Where's the tornado? It's gonna be in front of me here. Probably coming into Yuma.
Wow! Intense RFD! I'm getting out of here.
Wait, there it is. I got it. Large, destructive tornado.
That is... Oh, is that a wedge? That's a wedge in there. There's a big wedge right there. Wow!
As the tornado emerges from the rain, Connor watches as it passes just to his northeast.
Freddy, I hope Freddy's not in that. This thing's rapidly expanded.
Meanwhile, on the other side, I'm now sitting in front of the tornado with a clear view as it approaches my location.
Violent tornado here. Southwest of Yuma, Colorado. Oh my gosh. It's not good. It's not good, guys. We're probably gonna have to run away here soon. back towards me. It's wobbling back towards me, I think. Fire poles are coming down here, toppling down. I think we're good now. We're just in RFD now. Yep.
After being on the ground for nearly 30 minutes, the tornado takes one final turn, nearly missing Yuma before finally dissipating just west of town. In its wake, it leaves behind one of the wildest tornado tracks ever seen.